Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rizwan with you, and today we're gonna talk about a 2 bedrooms apartment in again Dubai downtown views, which is located in Zabil district. Downtown views project 2 and the tower 2 as well. In this video we're gonna talk about the size, feature of the apartment of this property, the finishing and the other kind of things like layout, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, what's the size, what's the balconies, what's the view, everything we're gonna explain in this video. So keep till watching. Let's go and check the apartment.
Yo!
So once you enter in your apartment, at the very start you can see that you are getting a huge space over here for your shoe racks, for your decorations, for extra stuff. If you have anything, you can just keep here, because this is a kind of extra small space, cozy space. So moving forward, here we are getting a L-shaped open kitchen. It's not coming with the appliances, only you will get stove over here and a soft touch cabinet. As you can see, a lot of the storage spaces over here for the decorations, for all of your cutlery kind of things. And one of the best thing is that you have a huge space for your refrigerator. For the double door refrigerator you can keep here. Then here you are getting a beautiful white Italian marble touch with the hatchback also over here. And this stove is coming on the side with this ventilator or the hoodie, as you can see. And this is going to be your living and dining area. As you can see that you are getting plenty of space over here. Usually in the modern or the new buildings of Emaar, you don't get this kind of space in the apartment. This whole apartment's carpet area is 1230 square feet, which is, I think, incredible if you compare with the other new buildings of Emaar. The ceiling height you are getting to the living area 4.5 meters around, and after that it's around 4 meters. Then if we talk about the view from the living area, in the living area you have the balcony on your left, and you are getting a very greenish kind of view of Zabil with the partial skyline view of DIFC, which is Dubai Financial Center, Dubai Frame view, Zabil Palace view. All of these kind of views you are getting from here. And one of the best thing is that this view will be forever, as these plots are not for sale. It belongs to Zabil district. It's not easy to purchase for any developer, so no any other landmark or the high-rise building or the skyscraper is gonna come in front of you. So this kind of view is forever for you. Let's move to the balcony. I will show you the view more clearly from the outside. So this balcony is attached with your living area. As you can see, a very perfect balcony for this kind of apartment, with this metallic rail for your kids or for you. So as you can see, on the right side you are getting the view of Creek Harbor skyscraper skyline with the beautiful water lake on the right side. Then in the middle you are getting the palace of Sheikh Mohammed, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed. And then Dubai frame view in the middle you will get. Then on the left you are getting the skyline view of DIFC. So let's move forward to the other part of the apartment, what they have given. As you can see that this passage that they have given, it's also kind of nice passage. It's perfect. If you talk about the space, if you talk about the laundry area in the kitchen, they didn't give any kind of space for the laundry, because they have the specific area for the laundry or for your extra luggages. So this was your laundry area. Then over here we have a common bathroom, because in the new buildings, as you know, that the powder room, they are not giving at all So you are getting a common bathroom which will be used for your guest bedroom and for your guest from the outside in the order. So that's why they didn't make the powder room. So if we talk about the finishing of the bathroom, as you can see, they have given a specific area of this with a standing shower with the glass. So let's move towards your guest bedroom. This is your guest bedroom, which is also, you can see that king size master bedroom. You can consider it, because if you see the size, it's the spacious in size. Once you put your bed over here, king size bed, you will get this space for your side table as well. Look at this concept. This is the most amazing and the unique concept that they have given in the apartment of the new buildings. Only few buildings in downtown you will find this concept. The wardrobes here in the middle, a specific space for you to install your TV, or if you want to make it like as your dresser, you can just install a mirror over here. If we talk about the windows, these panels are double glass, soundproof, so there will be no any sound possibly come from outside to inside. So same ceiling of 4.5 meters. So let's move to your master bedroom. This is going to be your master bedroom. So at the very start, once you enter, we can see the wardrobes that they have given here. Plenty of space. This is going to be your ensuite bathroom. It's only coming with the bathtub with some storage spaces over here, and his and her sink, two sinks they have given with the beautiful and with the nice finishing of this vanity top. Storage areas down there, a huge mirror over here to dress up yourself for the perfect thing. So let's check out the size of bedroom now. Look at this space. This space is kind of incredible because this is a master bedroom, of course. So you will get extra space over here. For the king size bedroom, if you seek and consider it, you will get a lot of space over here also. So this was 2-bedroom apartment of Dubai Downtown Views 2 Tower 2. This apartment is available for sale, for rent as well. And the size of this apartment is 1,230 square feet. If we talk about the price is really reasonable. For sale, the asking price is only 2.7 billion dirhams, which is all in cash because the property is handed over and it's not the post handover payment plan. So I'm gonna leave my WhatsApp number and my contact number on the screen. If you are locally based, you can call me anytime. If you are internationally based, you can just drop me up simply WhatsApp. If you want to know the more details about this project or about this apartment, you can reach out to me at any time. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.